Hello everyone and welcome to today's free market update. My name is Greg Grunewald and I'm one of the coaches here at Trading College, and today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. So if we look at the charts here, we can see that we had pro trading system buy signals. We had a very nice push to the upside, and then we started to come back down into these moving averages. Pro trading system turned red, moved down, but then we started to see a break of this trend line. So we had a trend line running up the highs there, and now we've got a new pro trading system green candlestick, which is a buy signal on our system. You can see the rise of momentum, which means buyers are stepping into the market. So on this weekly candlestick here, we started looking to go long on Bitcoin. So if we now put the weekly and the daily charts next to each other, let's have a look and see how classic technical analysis in conjunction with the pro trading system works so well. So if we go to this weekly candlestick over here, you can see that we were already green on the pro trading system. And that week we closed with a green candlestick on the weekly chart. We then had this retracement back down into support, and as soon as we got the new pro trading system candlestick here, the green candlestick, which means buy, to get back in the direction of the move on the bigger time frame, that is our time to act. So now we've got our new green pro trading system buy candlestick, and if we now follow the process, so if I was going to line this up, this is what you would have seen on Monday the 27th of January. Now is our signal to get into this trade, and the system provides us with an entry, stop, and various targets that we're going to go for. So if we just follow the process, you can see how in a trending environment on this daily time frame, we were already making higher highs, higher lows, getting some very nice retracements and those impulsive moves. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking to get into that next impulsive move with a system, a strategy, and that is where the pro trading system really shines. Is once we're in a trending environment, it gets us into the trade and it keeps us in the trade as long as possible. So if we now go and switch on the trailing stop feature, you can see these dots here behind price. That is how we would trail our trade. So now you can see as price continues to push higher, we keep our trailing stop on the dotted line and we don't move anything until price moves again. And now you can see very close to getting stopped out, but it didn't get stopped out, and now we're back into the next move to the long side. This could be a big move based on this weekly time frame where we have momentum that is just starting. So from our buy candle here on the daily time frame, you can see that if you entered on that signal right now, you would be 832 pips in profit. Using the trailing stop, you are now trailing at 305 pips in profit, and that is guaranteed. That is in your pocket if you just followed the system, followed classical, very simple technical analysis where we see price making higher highs, higher lows. We get our system signal, we use our higher time frame signal to get into the trade as well, and it really is as simple as that. So we'll keep on trailing that stop until we get stopped out, but we're looking for a much bigger move here on this weekly time frame. See how far we can go with our trailing stop feature. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.